Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge. Question number 47, rotate list. So this is the question. I'm doing a little bit more questions on linked list. So this is also like not that easy, but it's still a kind of an easy question. So you are given k number, you need to rotate the linked list by k elements. So this is the linked list, so many edge cases, and it's small code. This is small code really. It seems big, but it is not that big. Just one for loop. If this condition, then another small for loop, simple while loop, and a return answer. So yeah, space and time complexity is this. And thank you everyone for watching my videos, and the one who always gives like to like every video I post. So thank you for watching this video, and I will post more videos.